Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform any photo into a Pixar style animation using an app called Dreamface. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and yes, it has a free weekly credits options. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, you can go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And then once you're installed, just open the app and then you will be asked to log in, so just log in using your Google account. And after that, after you log into your account, you will be taken to the home page like this. And then next, just simply tap on magic effect, this one. And then in here you will find lots of cool filters, but for today's we're going to select Pixar animation. This is the effect that turns your photo into a cute Pixar style 3D animations. Just scroll down until you find Pixar. This one, just tap on it like this, and then next just pick a photo from your gallery, ideally one with good lighting and a clear view of your face. The better the original photo, the better your Pixar result will be. Just tap on plus button to upload the photo or choose the photo, for example like this, and then just tap on confirm like this. And once your photo is selected, just tap on create, this one. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, your Pixar version is now ready. It has a shiny Pixar eyes, and then it has smooth skin texture, the soft lighting, and it really does make your photo look like you walk straight out of an animated movie. And okay, if you're happy with the result, you can save it by tap on download, and then the animations will automatically be saved to your device. And okay, that's it. That's how you can transform any ordinary photo into a Pixar style animations using Dreamface app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.